In the field of web development, designing a particular website is extremely important. As you see, the very big website where the elements are located, where the footer bar will be located, each and every designing part about a particular website is done by CSS. In this masterclass series, we will be covering up each and every single thing that you need to know about CSS, starting from the very beginning to a very advanced level. Without wasting further time, let's start this entire series. Open your VS Code over here, and after that make two files which are index.html and index.css. Toggle screencast mode. Okay, so my first CSS, and here I'll be typing h1, which will be hello world, and h2, this is h2, which is a test, and the third one will be, okay, I'll be just typing over here a paragraph tag. This is p tag. So these are the basic things about the tags that I have considered. So what I will be doing is I'll be showing you how to use CSS for designing. So there are basically two ways in order to connect your CSS file with this for writing CSS properties. First one is index.css, and the second one is just type over here style, and inside this style here you will be able to write CSS. So for the first one is just type over here link, and in href just type over here index.css, like whatever that CSS file that you have created, just insert it over here, and you will be able to connect successfully your CSS file along with this HTML file. So I have considered this three, h1, h2, and a p tag, and I'll be writing over here the CSS property. Before that, make sure you have installed your live server. If you haven't installed, just go on the extension live server, and here you'll be able to find live server over here. I'll be just going for live CSS, and we'll be knowing about font, we'll be knowing about colors, then font families, how to use font families, and font weight, and about the background color, how to use all these sorts of basic things. So I'll be just typing over here h1. As you see, I'll be styling this first one, and after that, after typing over here h1, like whatever the element that you want to style, just type over here, and after that just enter curly braces, and I'll be just typing over here font, and after typing font here you will be able to find font size, font family, font weight. I'll be clicking over here font size, that will determine the size of this font. I'll be keeping over here 10 pixel. Now here is the thing about the pixel. There are basically three units that are widely used for determining a font size. There are basically three units are considered. The first one is em, then the second one is rem, the third one is obviously pixel. So in our upcoming video I'll be explaining the difference between all these three, don't worry. And for time being I'll be using pixel over here, as pixel is a familiar term. And then I'll be typing over here font family. And by typing over here font family, you will be able to choose your preferred font family. I'll be choosing this one. As you can see, it have changed the font family. Here I'll be changing the color as aqua, and the background color, just type over here background color if you want to change the background color. I'll be changing it to black, because it looks really nice over like that. So this is how you will be able to choose the background color, the about the color, how you will be able to change the color. If you want any sort of explanation about a particular CSS property, just go in MDN reference. MDN is basically a website inside of which you will be able to find each and every single detailed information about a particular CSS, HTML, and JavaScript property, and there will be other properties as well. So as you can see over here, Rebecca Purple, how this color thing works, there will be HSL, there will be HSLA, HWB, RGB, all these sorts of things, how it will be affecting your entire text, your entire font. It will show you each and everything about it. Please comment down below you understood it or not, and we'll be continuing it. For H2, let's choose different font size. Font size over here will be 10 pixels. So I'll be keeping, let's say, 8 pixel. As you can see over here, it have gone smaller. Then I'll be picking another color. Which one to click? This one. And the background color as, once again, I'll be clicking over here black. And font family. So in case of font, for maximum purpose, we'll be using font size, font family, and not font weight much, but these two. Which one? Okay, font family. I'll be choosing this one. Now for the p tag, this is the paragraph tag. I'll be entering the curly braces. Same thing. I want to show you about the use of font weight over here. It is actually used to determine whether the text will be bold or not. However, it will not work for the header tags. It will just work for the p tags. I'll be just typing font weight. You can choose the font weight from 100 to 900. However, I'll be choosing bolder. Most of the time, if you want to make it bolder, you can choose bolder. And I'll be choosing the font family as Times New Roman. And the background color, I'll be choosing this one. So these are basically the basic things about it. You can just try it out. Like if you do the basic stuff, if you clear the concept about the basics, then it will be much more beneficial for you in order to understand. Now all these things that I have inserted in VS Code, it is basically a web page, and after clicking on inspect, here you will be able to see styles, and inside these styles, these are basically the elements. Let me zoom in. 60%, 100%, and click on this one. As you can see, whatever thing that I have entered in my VS Code, everything got enlisted over here. Here you can check out, like if you click over here, how it will look like. As you can see, it is changing the hello world, how it will look like. You can test it, you can use this facility about this bar. That's it for our first video. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you love this video, then make sure to like and subscribe so that you can get access to our latest video as soon as it get uploaded on this channel. Till then, I will see you in the next video.